What's good, YouTube? As you know, I cut my waves off, and if you're in the first week and your hair looks like this, it's completely normal. Right now, I'm only using a soft brush. These first couple of weeks aren't about forcing waves, it's about getting the direction right again. Right now, I'm doing 20 strokes on all 8 angles. I'm really starting on the back and just working my way around. And usually, a lot of people mess up and just do too much in the early stages of waving, and they get like discouraged. But early on, consistency is what matters. Not brushing forever, not brushing harder, it's just consistency. So basically, I'm not chasing definition yet, I'm setting the foundation.
Lately I've been thinking about you as real as they come. But you would rather be on them drugs. I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you know that well. When I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone, no, no. House. Just.
One of them ones.
For moisture, I'm keeping it light, that's how much I use right there. But just know that heavy products don't help your waves come in faster. It doesn't build anything earlier than you think it would. Brushing is what matters. So if you're watching this and you got the Murrays or sporting waves and you're just applying this to your hair is just gonna be greasy with no waves. After I moisturize my hair, I go right back in, 20 strokes on each side. I'm not switching anything up just because there's product in my hair. All I can say though is healthy hair is what lays down better. So that's what I'm focused on right now.
Not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collect it. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder.
Now we get to this part. A lot of people ignore this part early on, but if you don't have this part right, it's harder to fix later. And that's definitely a big part of why I had restarted my waves and cut them off. So my best advice is start on the crown early on so you won't have to worry about it later.
I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always had scenes when it's so together. Yeah. take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you, cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch.
Then of course after that, you know the routine is not complete unless you use the plastic bag to lay everything down. Even though I don't got waves yet, I'm still gonna keep that in the routine.
First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it, and they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid, and we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, Jelly talking truthful.
Now if your hair looks like this after the reset, you're not behind, you're really on track. I'm documenting the whole restart. So subscribe, like, and comment, and just follow me on a journey. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Appreciate you for watching. Oh yeah, and trust the process too, of course.